Hey guys, welcome back. So in this video I'm going to show you how to download BodyFast app on Android. So first thing what you need to do is open up the Google Play Store icon on your Android smartphone or tablet. Then in the search bar down here type in BodyFast intermediate fasting. So right here, this one. Click on it. You can check also the reviews down here. And what you're going to do is simply just press install. And yeah, this is pretty much it. When it's downloaded, you can open up the app and you can follow the onboarding prompts to enter your personal goals and set up your fasting profile. So as you can see, we can now open up and yeah, we can start with our body fast journey. So I hope this video helped you out. If you did, consider to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching and I will see you in the next one.